County, Waller, Texas. Wind advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. Event, north wind 15 to 25 miles per hour gusting to 30 to 35 miles per hour in the wake of a cold front. Timing, cold front moving south through the area with gusty north winds in the wake of this front likely reaching the College Station area around 6 a.m. and Columbus by 8 a.m. and Palacios around 10 a.m. Impact, lightweight objects or objects with a large surface area may be pushed or tossed by the strong wind gusts. Hazardous driving conditions will be possible on elevated roadways or high-profile vehicles traveling on east to west oriented roads. Drivers of vans, campers, trailers, and other high-profile vehicles should be alert to the danger of these winds, especially when driving along east to west oriented roads. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGT 68, operating on a frequency of 162.40 MHz from the National Weather Service Office in League City, Texas. This advisory is for the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, and Montgomery. Wind advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. Event, north wind 15 to 20 miles per hour gusting to near 30 miles per hour in the wake of a cold front. Timing, cold front moving south through the area with gusty north winds in the wake of this front likely reaching the Huntsville area around 10 a.m. and Houston by 11 a.m. and Galveston around noon. Impact, lightweight objects or objects with a large surface area may be pushed or tossed by the strong wind gusts. Hazardous driving conditions will be possible on elevated roadways or high-profile vehicles traveling on east to west oriented roads. Drivers of vans, campers, trailers, and other high-profile vehicles should be alert to the danger of these winds, especially when driving along east to west oriented roads.